وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Don't question Allah Almighty. Learn to understand perfection is for the hereafter. Perfection is for Allah Almighty. Perfection is in Jannah, in paradise. Imagine if everything was perfect here in this world. What would have been the whole purpose of us going into paradise? People would not want to go there. Earlier, I was sitting in the room backstage and there was fruit and a few chocolates and sweets. And subhanallah, when I looked at this, one of my colleagues said to me, eat whatever it is and have what you can. And subhanallah, I knew that I couldn't. I'm about to come out to speak. But at the same time, I said the difference between this beautiful spread is that it is finite. Subhanallah. It will come to an end. It's not forever and ever, because forever and ever is for Jannatul Firdaus. So let's work towards it.